All right, everybody, welcome back to our famous F.A.Q section. I really got to get another sound bite. Yeah, everybody heard that for a while. Nonetheless,
cheering,
right? Eric, we're going to jump right into it. Okay, so the first question is, and this is really simple for you, what is a turnkey investment?
Turnkey investment is an investment where you, as a buyer, an investor, have minimum effort. You need minimum effort to basically get the return from it.
Next question is, how do I find a turnkey market to invest in?
Well, this is a very important question. We have a number of criteria that we're using for finding these markets. And the number one is landlord-friendly state. And then after that, we're looking at the median house price, the median rent. And then we're trying to find markets or zip codes that have a close to 1%, follow the 1% rule. Basically, when you divide that median house rent divided by the median house value, if it's around the 1%, then we start to kind of like focusing a little bit on that. And then we talk to people on the ground to really confirm that this is the area that we want to be in.
If you had $1,000 only and you wanted to start investing in real estate, what would you do?
Oh, that's a tough one. I would probably invest in advertising. I would probably invest in, that's a tough one. I would probably invest in some business cards, I think.
Okay.
And start networking.
I like it. That's a great answer. That's a really, really good answer. That's a really good answer.
We don't even use it. I don't even use cards anymore, so
that's all right. That's all right. That networking part, the part that would help you get the win. Okay, next question. How do I start writing my own book?
Well, I think I think you want to start by kind of writing some ideas and then structure them in a certain way. So try to figure out like a topic that you're passionate about, and organize your thoughts around that topic and how you want to communicate them.
I like it. Okay, last question is, if you were to warn your younger self about one obstacle, what would that obstacle be?
Well, the one obstacle that I had was trying to replicate what I had done. Like I bought that apartment building with no money down, and it was very hard for me to replicate that later on. It took a lot of effort for me. It took me like 9 months to find that one building that was, where I had no money down. I was able to get seller financing. So it was very difficult. And I think what I would have done is tell myself that basically you need to have other investors in there to help you do the joint venture or something like that, and find that money so that we can replicate these the buildings in the future. So these investments in the future. So I'd rather have 50% or 20% of a deal of some profit than 100% of nothing, as we say.
Ooh, that was good. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Eric, thank you so much again for coming on, man. Thank you for being a part.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not already watched Eric's episode, make sure you go back. Round of applause for Eric. You got to go back. Go back and check out Eric's episode, right? You're going to enjoy it. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for being a part of this journey, for being a part of this podcast and this whole thing that we're on. We look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, remember, again, you're better than you were, but you're not half as good as you're going to be. Keep going, keep grinding. It's right around the corner. Until next time.